much of heat, sun. It feels so good to stand in front of the fan. We are going to try the most dangerous wine. Hello everyone, welcome to Twosome Travelers. Firstly, thank you to everyone, those who have subscribed to our channel and is constantly supporting us. Secondly, if you have not subscribed to our channel, go and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our videos. So here comes a new vlog from Cyprus again. We are heading from Paphos to Limassol, the second largest city of Cyprus, just after Nicosia.
We are again opting for the intercity buses, which are very efficient in Cyprus. Today is a weekend, so the buses start from 8 am in the morning and the last bus is at 7:30.
It will take around 1 hour 15 minutes from here to Limassol, and the ticket prices are generally €4 as far as we have seen, so hoping it would be the same. And all kind of important links are there in the description, whatever you get to see in this video. Limassol bus stop. Now we will be taking a cab and heading towards our accommodation. The check-in is at 2 p.m. so we will be going and keeping our luggage, and then we will head out to explore the city. As you make your way to Paphos Castle, you'll encounter Ellados Street, which is adorned with stunning street art. Limassol also boasts many streets that feature similar artistic displays. The Limassol Castle, a medieval gem, is located close to the old harbour right in the centre of Limassol's historic area. The castle we see today was reconstructed around 1590 during the Ottoman era. That's the ticket office. We got the tickets, each for €4.50. Archaeological studies around the castle reveal that it was constructed on top of an early Christian basilica, a Middle Byzantine structure, and a 13th century Gothic church, which eventually evolved into what we know now as Limassol or Limassol Castle. The castle was hit by Mamluk attacks in the 1420s and was taken over by the Genoese in 1452, holding it for nearly a decade. When the Venetians came into power, an earthquake left the castle in ruins, and with the looming threat of the Ottomans, they decided to have it demolished. However, when the Ottomans captured the island in 1571, they restored the castle for defense. The castle is very beautiful and majestic. It's a castle as well as a museum. Back in the days of British rule, the castle's underground chamber and first floor were turned into prison cells, staying that way until 1942. After that, it was handed over to the Department of Antiquities and served as the district museum from 1950 to 1963. Then in 1975, the archaeological collection moved to what is now the Archaeological Museum of the Limassol or Limassol district. Since 1987, the castle has been home to the Medieval Museum of Cyprus. And it just feels so good to stand in front of the fan. So much of heat, sun. Rohit is looking for places where we can go, and it's a very good thing to mark the places on Google Map so that it becomes easier while you're traveling and also while navigating. We are here to have our lunch. We have come to a restaurant that is just beside Limassol Castle. After ordering food during the wait time, they provide you with bread and butter so that you can just have a nice time waiting. And we have taken chicken kebab.
And I have taken chicken fillet.
This is our bill, and we have been provided with dolly candy. We are done with our lunch and we are heading back to our Airbnb now. Now we will show you how it is. It's very beautiful. We will take a bus from here to the bus stop. We don't know the name of the bus stop, by the way. And here comes our stay, Below Zero Gallery. It's under the ground. And here comes our room. The entire place is ours. There's a pool, sofa, drums, the place to sleep. Here's a table. Here's a beautiful, beautiful bathtub. Here's the kitchen. And here comes the washroom. Now we are heading towards the Wine Festival of Limassol, which is the main attraction of today. The Wine Festival is held at the Municipal Garden of Limassol, which is 1 kilometer from our Airbnb. As soon as you enter, you will have to buy wine glasses, 2 wine glasses, which is for €1.5 each. The Wine Festival of Cyprus, held in Limassol every year, is the annual festival to celebrate wine and winemaking. Wine Festival is held every year around the end of September to early October. It offers visitors the opportunity to taste a wide variety of wines from across several wineries in Cyprus. Here is our first tester for the day. Of course, it's free. Let's try it. The entry fee is €5 for adults, and for 13 to 17 years of age, the price is €3, and children below 13 years age free. The festival starts at 7 p.m. and is open till 12 midnight. The festival is not only for adults, there are several activities for children as well. There is a dedicated area for children, there is a park with multiple rides. This year the Wine Festival started on 28th of September, and today is the last day, that is 6th of October. Looks like we turned out lucky not to miss it. It was first held in 1961 at the Public Gardens, and this is the 63rd year of the festival. This festival is a celebration of history and tradition of winemaking in Cyprus. It's a modern-day festival similar to the ancient festival to worship Dionysus, the god of wine. There are several vineyards in Cyprus, hence wine is very cheap here. Look at this. Visitors can take off their shoes and stomp on grapes just like old days.
Welcome you to the closing ceremony of this year's Wine Festival, a tradition that 63 years has honored the historic culture and production of Cypriot wine. This cultural event promotes the tradition and heritage of Limassol and all of Cyprus. During these days, Limassol has been at the center of this celebration, hosting both local and foreign visitors who shared with us this popular festivity and the taste of our exceptional wines. I would like to thank the municipal council, especially the president and members of the cultural committee, as well all the municipal staff.
The most strongest and the dangerous wine. Honestly, it just makes you burn your throat. But yeah, in life we should try everything. We are going to try the most dangerous wine in Limassol. It makes you burn down your throat. So we have just taken a bit. Let's try.
Natasha se prisa di mania.
Everything is written in Greek, but I saw fine. So I'm gonna keep all the things and take it away as a souvenir. And that is going to be all for today's video. Some Travelers will be seeing you again next Saturday with a new video. Till then, stay tuned and bye-bye.